Okay, I'm down at Tip Top Engineering at Huddersfield. Hopefully you can see the plaque on here from the 2024 RAC Restoration of the Year, and that was won jointly with a 1927 Bentley. So this was last week. In fact, this time last week, James was probably arriving there, and so there's to the winner the spoils, bubbly, and the certificate to confirm the winning restoration. So that's really pleasing for everybody concerned. There has been a lot of people involved with this, which I can't name them all, but they know who they are, and it's been an honour for myself to actually take part doing things with this car. And so James, you enjoyed the...
We did. We had a good dinner and a nice evening, and very, very special. And again, thanks to Jolyon for buying the car, sponsoring it, looking after it, and helping us to be part of the restoration project. It's been absolutely mega. And now we start developing it and competing in it next year. We've got a full season planned. Jolyon hill climbing the car in all the VSCC hill climbs, myself racing it in the VSCC races, and hopefully get to Goodwood next year. Who knows? That's an invitation we'll wait for. It's been absolutely mega. So many people to thank. It would be a bit rude to list them all because I'd miss so many out. Lots of suppliers. There's no secrets. I'm happy to share them with people if anybody wants to know where we've had stuff done. We've had some really good service from everybody. Actually, I'd use them all again. From wheels to paint to plating to line boring to CNC machining. The whole blinking lot have been really good for us.
So it's been well worth the 2.5, nearly 3 years of hard slog designing, and
it's nice to look back on it all. It's been tough at times.
I mean, but people don't know, but James did over 100 photographs in albums of the restoration, all the different aspects of it, the engineering part and the designing, and then obviously pictures of the car in action, testing and one thing and another. And it is quite he's gone to a lot of trouble to try and obviously win this. It's not just the car, but it's all been well worth it in the end. And of course there we are. This is at Goodwood this year, in plenty of rain, which I can vouch for because I got absolutely wet through myself, but there you go. So that's quite a good picture, is that, I would say. And so we can't wait till next year now to get started once again and see what we can do.
Thank you all for your kind comments, and we'll find another project for you hopefully quite soon.
Definitely. Right, thank you very much. Catch you later. Bye.